Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan, and today I went to the Xiaomi offline store, and here I bring you the new model Redmi 10 Pro 4 for you, and this is the new middle end pin in 2025. Personally, I think this will be one of the best mid-end smartphone in the market, and this time they have three colors, and this is the white, light blue and red color. Sorry, the black color. And this time they have a new design, and one of the most attractive part is the camera zone surrounded by the LED light in two circles, and also back panel just divided in two parts, the left and right part, and with the special glass material, and also it looks very nice. Personally, I like it. And okay, next I'm going to talk on the details. So let's check the white color. This time for the dimension of our device is length 160.95 and width 75.24 mm, and the thickness 8.06 millimeters, and weight is just 203.5 gram. And also we go to check settings, check the specification about this device, and also here's process information: Dimensity, MediaTek 8400 Ultra chip, a screen 6.67 inch 1.5K display resolution, and support 100 Hz refresh rate and 12-bit and DC brightness adjustment, and also support PWM brightness adjustment. And for battery, 6550 battery with amazing 90-watt fast charging, and this is the, I think, most important functions and features in this middle-end smartphone. And also here is another attractive part is the LED light surrounded the camera, two camera, and the main one is 50 megapixel main camera, Sony LYT600, and 1.5 aperture OIS coated, and the wide angle 80 megapixel, and also it's called the 20 megapixel front camera. And also have a very quick and simple camera test about this device. Okay, I will put the sample pictures at the end in the middle of the video so to check the quality of the camera. So wide angle, normal, and also the zoom 2 times. And next thing is called 10 times speed performance of the camera, and another shooting. Okay, to the front side, and the two 20 megapixel portrait front camera with the most portrait, and also you can choose the filter to get different kind of selfie. Okay, this is the camera part, and as I mentioned, this time they have 3 colors: black, white, and light blue or light dark with light green. And here are more specification about the device: dimension, weight, and also compared with the Redmi 10 Pro 3, just 30 gram heavy, and size almost very similar, almost same, but the display and the camera and the battery improved a lot compared to the last generation. Yes. Okay, no more features, no more. And this is the front side. And wake up, check the display. And actually, for the white color, I really like it because there's a red light. You can see across the back panel, make it very attractive and cool. This is a combination design, and I really like the red light, and also the 2 circle camera also with the red light. So here are the sample pictures. You can enjoy it. And also this time for the Redmi 10 Pro 4 is support IP66, IP68 and IP69K So it's a full waterproof. And next, we check another color. This is light blue or light green color. Also very finding is the combination design. Left is quite shining. And the right one got some polishing. And also the a bit dark is also combined. The front side, this one can be used as a remote controller for the air conditioner, TV, something. This is just the freight enter. And this is screen. It's a 6.67-inch OLED screen. The big brightness. It's 3200 nits. Also, I forgot to mention the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra is the second generation 4nm Poco technology, and the octa-core processor. The maximum is 3.25 GHz. So compared to last generation, it improved 12% for performance and the consumption reduced 35%. And at last, we check the black color. And it's the black color with the LED light, 2-second LED light. It really looks amazing. I really like it. Also, if we use the Antutu to test it, in total score which is the 176.3 linear, it's also improved compared to the last generation. Almost 11% improved. For the battery, they can charge within 1 hour. It is hold 11 times normal use. If we use this to play the mobile games, and I tested the average FPS is reached to 58.7. They are similar to Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor here. The more sample pictures of the smartphone, so you can enjoy it. Okay, let's tend waiting for more catch up from here. Bye bye.